You could have been exposed to asbestos in many different ways. Maybe you worked with it yourself. Maybe you washed clothes from someone who worked with it. Maybe there was a renovation going on in a building where the guts of the building were pulled out and the asbestos dust was flying around the building. Maybe you worked in a shipyard. Maybe you were home when your house was being built and you didn't know that the floor tiles that were being put in your kitchen had asbestos. These are all things that a lawyer at Levy will find out.
When someone's diagnosed with mesothelioma, they're in absolute shock. And they quickly find out when they Google mesothelioma that they may have a case. And the reason is that mesothelioma is only caused by asbestos. When we're contacted by someone with mesothelioma, we're always very compassionate. We make things as easy as possible on them in terms of meeting with them in any way that's best for them. We want to do right by them. We want to work with them to help determine how they were exposed to asbestos.
You don't need to work in a power plant to develop mesothelioma, and we were finding a lot of our clients didn't have any occupational exposure to asbestos. Yet we knew from all the literature that was out there that there had to be some kind of asbestos connection. We helped develop what that connection was in finding that there was asbestos contaminating talcum powder. And the reason we knew that and found that out is that asbestos and talcum powder are both mined from a very similar source. And so we were learning that some of these talc mines had asbestos in them as well. And no one ever really made that connection until we started making it 15 years ago. That changed the whole dynamic of what these cases were about.